Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Since the working principles of all devices are the same, if you write your problems and thoughts about all brands and models in the comments, we will solve the problem immediately.
We will see the first stage solution of the problem of not displaying the screen, which often occurs on many of our devices. If this process is not successful, if you write in the comments, I will send you the second stage solution video link.
You can complete your repair process by following the steps I have done and doing the same.
If there is no problem when we check our cables, but the image still does not appear, we can proceed to the next step.
Again, we will repair a device without the cost of parts. The fault solution is almost the same in devices with this and the same working principle. It is useful to follow the same methods.
We turn off our device by pressing the on/off button for 10 seconds and pull out the 220 volt power cord. After the 220 volt cable is pulled, when the positive and negative poles in the socket where the BIOS battery is located touch each other, the electricity in the BIOS is completely finished and the BIOS is reset. When we touch the plus and minus poles with the help of any conductive material, our BIOS is reset.
I recommend you to subscribe and browse our other useful videos. I would be very happy if you recommend my channel to your friends.
It's a good idea to do this a few times. You should also see the positive comments in our other videos. In all of our repair processes, we repaired our device very easily and cost-free, and you can fix your faults by following the steps I have done. And we try several times using different materials and want to make sure the process is successful. Now our dirt has softened and we will clean the dirt in this area with our blackhead cleaning device. Vacuuming a few times is enough. You see how the inside of our silicone pipe got dirty. You should also see the positive comments in our other videos. In all of our repair processes, we repaired our device very easily and cost-free, and you can fix your faults by following the steps I have done. Now we turn on our device again by connecting the electricity again and we are experimenting.
And the result is a very happy development. You should definitely try it. We got very good feedback in our previous videos. Write your result in the comments and we will reply. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share our video with your friends that you want to benefit from. If you write your questions and opinions in the comments, your other brand model printer computer scanner problems, I will reply as soon as possible for the solution. Thanks.
If the gold rate is low in the conductive parts of the devices, oxidation may occur. After applying it, we provide full contact by moving it a little.